Hey guys, it's Zach from Southern Ginger Workshop, and this week I use Precision Board to build a full-size Aquaman Trident. I think that really turned out awesome. I really like how the Precision Board was easy to sand and cut, and it worked beautifully on my CNC machine. I didn't even have to buy different bits. It worked really well. The other thing I really like is it takes a really good finish. I used just standard primer, sanding in between, added some gloss black after that, and then finished it up with some graphite. Some graphite here just to give it kind of that metal look, and added some rub and buff to give it some of the highlights. And this stuff really holds up nice. So if you want to see the full video, you can check it out on my YouTube, and there's also a blog post on the Precision Board website, so check it out.